From mountains to oceans to eagles to wildflowers, everything else in between. Seeing sunrise while crossing a river, that's what life means to me. So enjoy an adventure with me. You'll never know what you will see.
Hey guys, welcome to Adventure in Focus. I'm Larry Kreh. Today we're after Osprey. There's some cool stuff on the way, like waterfalls and a few old structures. Can't wait. See you in a bit. Alright guys, check us out. This is a perfect area for turtles and frogs. Look over here, let's go. Alright guys, so look, check this out. This is a prime area for turtles and amphibians. So, I see one right now. I'm gonna get a picture of him if he doesn't move. All right guys, we're here at the waterfall area. I forgot how extensive it is. It drops at least 60 feet from here to here, and there's waterfalls all in between. Absolutely stunning. Can't wait for you to see them. All right, about through with the waterfalls, back to our main mission, Osprey. All right, we're on our way to see the Osprey and these cool ruins here. I'm gonna check them out. All right, so turns out this is an old flint furnace built in the 18th century. They used to make different types of china out of the flint. You know, plates, saucers, cups, teacups. And it's real hot out today. And I'll tell you what, it's real cool in here. Whew, cooled off now. Rapids ain't far, let's go. We're here at the rapids. Herons love shallow water, so let's get some shots. Well, there's so much action here. I really hate to leave, but the Osprey are calling, so let's go. Well, as you can see behind me, it's a nice pool of water, flat, calm water. That's what we're looking for. All right, this is it. Here with the Osprey. Let's go. Lights, camera, action. All right, guys, until next time, hope your adventure's always in focus. See ya.